In the year 2015, I had visited my very dearest friend Bindya in a house at Dalhousie, which is in Himachal Pradesh, and her mother Asha auntie decided to treat me to the local fair where she made an amazing chana madra and served it with hot steamed rice. I'm missing both of them because both of them are no more. Bindya was my closest friend, and in her memory today I'm going to be making the chana madra. So first, let's heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. And let's throw in some spices. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, 2 black cardamoms, 6 to 7 cloves, 10 peppercorns, a tablespoon of coriander seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Be careful, guys. I'm going to throw in some red chilies. I've taken 2 or 3 of them, just broken them. 1 large onion that's finely chopped. I'm going to add this and saute this for a minute, not more. Now after a minute, add a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste, and I'm going to also add 5 green chilies that I've slit. And I'm going to saute this for another minute. Now here, I had soaked 200 grams of chickpeas for about 8 hours, and then I boiled it along with some salt and turmeric. We'll add this to the onions. Now we'll also add a tablespoon of raisins, 10 to 15 almonds. Just mix this well. So I had soaked the almonds in water for about 3 to 4 hours, and I've simply peeled them. Now add 3 cups of yogurt to this, whisked yogurt, a little bit of turmeric powder. Reduce the flame now, okay, since we've added the yogurt. And now just keep stirring it till the curry comes to a boil. You know, the curries come to a boil. So what I'm going to do now is heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. The ghee has melted, so I'm going to add an inch of ginger julienne to this. Just fry them a bit along with 1/4 teaspoon of hing. This is an extremely simple recipe and very delicious, very light. And also chickpeas being high in protein, it's a good option for those of you who are on a diet. So now I'm going to add this tadka to the chana madra. Just throw in some coriander, maybe about 2 tablespoons. And just let it boil for a minute and our chana madra will be ready. You know, normally when we see chickpeas, we only think of the Amritsari chole. But this is a beautiful dish which I had eaten in 2015. Ever since then, I've been in love with it. And I wish you try this recipe and relish it as well, like the way I do. So now we'll shut the flame. So this is more like a curry, you know, very light, delicious, very simple. It's got very basic spices and masalas. I really enjoy this. So I hope you try this recipe. And like, share, subscribe and comment as well if you liked it or not. And keep watching Smita Dev.